If your Google Drive trash won't empty, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can help you clear it properly and get your storage working again. This is a common issue when you try to empty a large trash folder, but nothing seems to happen, or your storage still doesn't update right away. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to handle it safely and quickly, and if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Then sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the left sidebar and click on Trash. This is where all of your deleted files are stored before they're permanently removed. Now, if you have a huge number of files in trash, don't rush to click Empty Trash on everything at once. That can sometimes cause the process to fail or take a long time. Instead, select smaller groups of files, such as 50 to 100 items at a time, and delete them permanently in batches. This method is often much more reliable, especially if Google Drive is struggling with a very large trash folder. To do that, click the first file in the group, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click the last file in that group. This will select everything in between. Once the batch is selected, delete those files permanently, then move on to the next batch until the trash is fully cleared. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to try is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes corrupted browser data can prevent Google Drive from processing the empty trash command correctly. To do this in Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser. From the menu, go to Settings. On the left panel, find Security and Privacy, then click Delete Browsing Data. In the Options window, make sure you select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. If you want, you can also select browsing history and download history, but if you don't want to clear those, just leave them unchecked. After that, click Delete to clear the selected data. Once the cache and cookies are cleared, go back to Google Drive and try emptying the trash again. In many cases, this fresh browser session can fix the issue immediately. Now, one more thing to keep in mind, if you deleted a massive amount of data, especially something like 1 terabyte or more, Google servers may take time to fully process the deletion. In some cases, it can take up to 48 hours for the storage quota to update and reflect the change properly. So if the trash is gone but the storage number still looks wrong, it may just need a little more time. So to recap, if Google Drive trash won't empty, try deleting files in smaller batches, clear your browser cache and cookies, and give Google time to process very large deletions. These steps solve the issue in most cases without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.